mane locheka nalevele
Eish bafethu moya uphukile, what a sad day. Again uziwe kufinal mfethu, final yemitha. But ke hayi ayikho into engadluli uDoc uyazi. My brother, can you please introduce yourself to our viewers? Batshela ukuthi wena ubani? You from where? Yeah, kanjalo kama nesibongo my brother, batshela ukuthi uphuma kweliphi ikasi.
Sho sanibonani kuma viewers. Kama lami nguKutlwano Majoro, nguye Soweto eBramfish. Yeah, ayisho ngiphukile kakhulu ayisho. Anginawo namandla ukuthi ngakhuluma, ngazi nokuthi ngifila kanjani.
Ya uyeke bafethu lo umuntu abathi Lazy Bone Majoro Paul Popper. Star ntwana le bafethu, star player lesi. Namhlanje umbona nami kusasa uzombona ku professional. Uyisave le video ngiyakutshela. Ngoba uma usaphukile before siqala, I want people to get to know you my brother. But ngifuna ukuthi masikhuluma ngawe ubunamandla kancane, ngicela ubuphuza lamanzi. Anya wazi la wanika namandla my brother. Just nje ubuyisa amandla. Semandleni. So better manje.
Ngifila better manje ayisho. Sure.
Okay my brother, umuntu obukela i-video uyafuna ukwazi ngawe. So kindly tell us ukuthi uKutlwano uqale kanjani ukudlala ibhola and yini into motivating ukuthi adlale ibhola and ubani player okhule ubukela phansi kwalo.
Okay, first thing aqala ngokuthi ngibonga itime lami because he is the person ongigrumile. Throughout the career yami umuntu bekangiseka. Ungifundisa izinto eziningi ngebhola. Based about life, angeke ngikhulume ngendaba zempilo and stuff, but ngizokhuluma ngebhola. I started playing football when I was 6 years old. It taught me the basic. And then I grew up. Itime lami liqala ukuthi kimi at the age of 17 hambo explore ngaphandle ukuthi kunjani. So ukhona ugain experience ngebhola. So I grew up playing ekasi vele. Dusty streets of Bramfish angayisho kanjalo. Yeah, I played for Ithula Ushebe. And then I started playing SAP when I was 21. Qalele ukudlala la iNgwado All Stars. Ngakhohlwa because besidlalela namanye ama team because kuyikwadi yangithola. But yeah, into engayisho ngebhola. Umuntu bengibukela kuye kakhulu. Bekude Komlisi. Yeah, bekuyi idol yami uTekomlisi when I grew up. Bengimncane blind. Umuntu owayenza futhi ukuthi ngifave neSundowns. Makasuka kuPirates aya kuSundowns. Yeah, into engayisho njalo.
Shout out to Tekomlisi. My brother, yabona ibhola lakho udlala ngakhona siyalithanda. So when as a player, let's say ifika intwana edlala same position oyidlalayo, ithi hayi man Grootman, ngidlala iposition eso, ungayike advise uteam ukuthi akwazi ukumaintain leyo position.
Ngathi ngiqale ngokuthi ngizomnika amagama okumotivate ngizothi kuye ngami mina as usual, that's why bathi mo Lazy Bones. Angisabi next. Less pressure. I'm always confident ngento engiyenzayo. So umuntu ozayibona le video nentwana encane ezoyibona somtshela ukuthi nawe kusasa if you decide ukuthi lento uyayenza yenze njalo. There's always mistakes. We grew up ngama mistakes. So learn from your mistakes and make a better outcome ngawo lama mistake wakho. So into engayisho ukuthi njami dlala ibhola lakho ungasho ukuthi ubani akuchange ibhola lakho ukuthi dribble ubani mawudribula njalo mawudlala into engayisho njalo.
I know it's sad ukuthi namhlanje le meter ayibambanga, but let's say we win le meter. Makathina ama plans.
Ama plans njalo. Tukutshela mina ke ngale mali le ngiyosiza ekhaya njalo. Because vele kusebenza already la kuphela, so bengizo improvise nami ngale nyuko le ngisize la ngisiza khona. Uze ngimbone naye happy. Nakusasa ngajabula yena nethema lami abangangibona ngiwo professional stage. Because I'm always fighting for that. Ibhola liphelele, there's always a way forward. So now I'm willing ukuthi kusasa I would give it my all mabangathi kimi ngoza nayo opportunity. I would give my all. Into engayisho nje yami.
Because currently nje musase ku prime yakho ye football. So iliphi player ongathanda ukumention uthi i-best player owadlala nalo, umention i-player owadlala nalo as the hardest opponent, uphinde umention i-player ongathanda ukudlala nalo as a teammate.
Yo, that's a very big trick. I played in a player Antwerp. Sure. ngakunamela wona ngawanema nanoma ungathi nginame 10 abo Sidumo Hlongwani abo Karabo Mkhabela I played with nabo 4 off yeah and into engayisho ukuthi the hardest player engike ngadlala against yona Olentuza it was Pereza Ketho Khokhe Masu yeah it was the hardest opponent ever mina jami angeke ngithi ngiyamention ukuthi ubani angifuni ukudlala nobani because some players nama preferences wethu ukuthi ubani umnandi ukuthi ubani umnandi mina into engayisho ukuthi I'm not willing to play a player engamameli mawungamameli you don't grow sho ukuthi if ever sikutshela imistake yakho and then back chair then I'm sure ukuthi mina nawe vela angeke sisazwana nangenkulumo because mawe player akhona ama moments la ungayenza ama mistake khona football is all about moments there's a good moment there's a bad and there's the critical moment so in football kwamele sidlale sicomplementane into engayisho nje hayi otherwise angifeel grand na the way ngiqale ngakhona igame as it was a high intense but I gave it my all until the time bazonginike red card I'm not saying I was willing ukuthi ngithole red card man I feel like it was a sabotage but oh well it's fine yeah siyakhula we learn from our mistakes wethu as much as we can say hey siyabonga and then for bona ama opponent I feel like it was an advantage because ukuthola red card kwami I think bengiyoba hlupha vele yeah I was meant bengizoba hlupha showcase and bengeke sidliwe kule game sure nje
Thani confident yakho my brother and nami sure ngokubona kwami nginalento leyo ukuthi kuba mose sekhona egamini mozoyenza something eno magic phakathi egroundini since you mentioned ukuthi usupport Sundowns okay we know that now so iliphi player ongathanda ukulibuyisa a retired player ongathanda ukulibuyisa ku professional football ngaphandle kwa Tekomodis ongathanda ukulibuyisa nje egamini
ngalibukela ngathanda ngene ngifisa nokulibukela every day Andile Jali Andile Jali HA15
shout out to Mhlekazi so my brother Europe support which club
support Man City eBayern eBarcelona
yes okay so let's say they face each other which one you go with first
if iBayern izodlala neBarcelona I go with Barcelona yeah
favorite player Europe
ayimfana abaningi ama player engafavorayo I'm not into critics ukuthi nganame lo nginame lo ngibet mouth lo but for me nje ngithanda ama midfielder Pedro Gonzalez
yeah
Joshua Kimmich Frankie de Jong
yeah
and then lastly Gavi hard worker Gavi hard worker
I'm ready to Vitinha
I rate him of Vitinha and there's always a debate about Vitinha and Pedro but for me they're not playing the similar football
sure
abantu into abakwamele bay understand ngizobuyela futhi na ku Messi and Ronaldo leyo prime angeke si debate ngabo Ronaldo is a hard worker Messi it is football brains uMessi lethe uNkulunkulu makathi I create football uvele wa create uMessi
yeah Messi football
uMessi uyingcondo mastermind genius football genius football brains galore
ngithanda you know what into engithanda about ama players udlala ibhola uphinde ube ne football knowledge so ngokubona kwakho ku PSL which players will win play of the season
for mina urile nje ngiyamnika urile ngiyamnika midfielder of the season Mkwena
sure
Tebo Mkwena and omunye kwi contender yakhona Marcelo Allende Marcelo Allende marvelous to watch Marcelo Allende ngisayisho namanje omunye oimprovile uJaden Adams ngiyamnika naye but the player of the season obviously as ngisho ngithi ngiyamnika urile from coming to ama assist and scoring goals that's a huge impact and imkhulisile futhi
before sivala my brother anywhere of the day
Jayami imistake yanamhlanje mayikumotivate for kusasa because namhlanje sekuyi past kusasa present so live your life to the fullest and to mention anything njami obhekile akunamngane lifeini njami umngane uwe nefamily yakho mamela abazali njami uzoyafera ngaphandle bayalahlekisana njami I've been there ngibonile benginabangani ngibathemba but they throw me under the bus. Nanamhlanje angibambe emacubu mina. Ngibawishela okuhle nje yami. Into engayisho bafethu. Live your life to the fullest. Always be happy. Ngabambe emacubu. Macubu ayenzelana ienga engekho. Jabulela wonke umuntu. Respect everyone equally. Ungathi because umdala mncane mina ngirespecta wonke umuntu nje yami ngikhulele family ne respectayo for motivation. Let's respect one another and love one another. Semhlabeni la ngizofika kusasa kuphele nami ngayenzeka ngibe kuyiprime yami manje sangincomile. Maybe the next 5 years kwenzeka ukuthi angisadlala ibhola. But kubo bonke abantu abangibukelayo every day ngiyabajabulisa. I'm not saying cause bona hey this and that mara bayajabula mabangibona abaningi engibajabulisayo. Sure nje.
Awunendlebe uzwile bafethu. I hope umamela mangazonga kahle awuyazi internet le uyakwazi ukubuyela emuva. Izilonke idatha lakho ngeke lidleke. Njami ngiyabonga for isikhathi sakho.
Akubonga mina njami ngiyabonga futhi for your respect njami. Hayi into engijabulelayo.
Thank you my brother.
Ngiyabonga naku cameraman njami. Nibambe so. Sebenzeni umuhle bafethu nginifisela izinto ezinhle. Ngathi nakusasa ngiyenzela abanye abantu. Ongayibonanga ezusho. Uzokhona ukuyibona. Ngiyabonga kuma viewers.
Siyabonga ama viewers. Shout out to you Scams, the cameraman. Thank you njayami.